In this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla Battery Day and what stock to buy for anticipation of Tesla Battery Day. So, Battery Day, I was wrong. I thought it was today, but it's actually September 22nd, so I screwed up. You could tell, obviously, I'm not a huge shareholder, so I'm not like 100% researching Tesla all the time. But I do have a position. I have 10 shares of Tesla at $420. So, and I'm excited for Battery Day. And I am buying stocks that I think will benefit big time on Battery Day, for Tesla Battery Day. So, I'm going to be sharing in this video what stocks that could potentially pop really crazy on Battery Day. So, they are gonna be they're gonna review a new battery. I'll be honest with you, I don't really know what's going to happen on battery day. I've been watching a few videos on it, but according to Elon Musk says that many exciting things will be unrevealed and on Battery Day 9/22. Elon Musk is basically hyping up Battery Day, saying that it's the biggest event in Tesla's history, and I'm very excited. I'm definitely going to upload a video, possibly, or live stream it, or I don't know. No, there's too many people live streaming it, so I'm probably just gonna watch other people live stream it. But I'll definitely make a video on my thoughts on Battery Day, so look forward to that, I guess, if you even care. So Tesla will be having the Battery Day at 1:30 p.m. Pacific time. This is interesting because they are having Battery Day while the market is still trading. Usually they would have an event after the market trades, but this is during the middle of the day when the market is still trading, which is very peculiar because this is something that that usually don't happen. They usually either have an event after the market closes, but they're gonna have it during the day, which is during the market when it's still open, which is very interesting. Right now, the market is red, but even if the market dropped 1,000 points tomorrow, I think the market is going to ignore Tesla. I think Tesla is gonna just go doing its own thing tomorrow, and it's probably gonna run up. I don't think the market is gonna drop 1,000 points. I'll be honest with you. I think maybe like 50 points, 100 points, maybe 2 or 3%, but not 1,000 points. So, and the market does absolutely scares me right now. It absolutely scares me right now, and I'm very scared for the overall market. Yeah, that's just me. So there was an interesting thing that somebody brought up. So this is the first stock to kind of keep under your radar, but this is really interesting. So Piedmont Lithium Limited. So this is YouTuber, sorry, not YouTuber, one of my comments on my YouTube, one of my subscribers. The securities of Piedmont Limited will be placed in trading halt at the request of PLL pending its release and announcement unless ASX decides otherwise. The security will be remaining halted until the early of the commencement of normal trading on Tuesday, 22nd of September 2020, or when the announcement is released to the market. What are they gonna release to the market on 22nd? That just sounds so, and it's a lithium company. That just sounds so like maybe they have a partnership with Tesla. Like, what? If that was the scenario, I think all lithium stocks would pop like crazy. If they got a partnership with Tesla, lithium stocks would pop like crazy, in my opinion. So PPL is halted right now. If we look closely at the market cap, it's only $109 million. So like, if we look at the chart, it's skyrocketed on really big volume. I think like 1 million volume, which is pretty big. I mean, look at the candle. Look at, like, has this candle ever been around before. Like, this shows you that, like, whoa, hey, big news, like, has to be, because that's a huge volume stick, And if we look at the market cap, it's really small. It's only $100 million company. And then if we look at the share structure, 7.61 million float, 11.55 million shares outstanding. So very, very small market cap. So yeah, you can also buy Tesla stock too, but Tesla is not high return on investment. It's kind of low on return on investment, because the higher it goes, the more people will say that Tesla is in a bigger bubble. But Tesla announcement might make Tesla sound undervalued. Who knows? So we'll see what happens. See what Tesla announced. Also, Lithium America Corporation, like I said, if PLL announced something big, Lithium America Corporation could skyrocket. It is already broken. It's already hitting a blue sky breakouts here. So, yeah, pretty exciting. Neo Lithium is a one that I am invested into, and this is the one that I think is a really big return on investment, simply because it just recently, like, according to this article, they are partnered up with a company called Tesla began sourcing cells from CATL and LG. CATL is one of Tesla's big partners, and just recently CATL invested into Neo Lithium Corporation for 9% of the company, I believe. So very big news, and I'm very bullish on Neo Lithium. I think, I'm hoping that one day it becomes traded on the New York Stock Exchange. That would be pretty awesome. And then GIGA Metals. GIGA Metals could benefit big time from battery day too. If they came out with a battery that is like highly concentrated in nickel, and maybe possibly say something about Giga Metal Nickel Corporation that could skyrocket the stock. I'm an investor in the stock, so of course I'm biased, so don't trust me. I am not an investor in this. I was an investor in this, but I sold this position for Giga because Giga has a bigger mine than FPX Nickel, and that's the reason why I bought Giga. And on top of that, Giga is a way lower market cap than FPX Nickel. That's the reason why I invested into Giga instead of FPX. And then there's also Canadian Nickel Company. This stock ran near the end of the day. It ran up to $1.84, and they have the 11th largest nickel mine in Canada, or in the world, sorry. It's still way smaller than Giga, but and that's the reason why I can't invest into this company, because Giga has a bigger mine than Canadian Nickel Company, and that's like a big reason why I am investing in this. And this could also be a potential big winner. I'm not financial advice, but I'm just saying I don't have an investment in this. I'm not biased or anything. I'm not shorting it or anything. So yeah, and then this is the last thing before I go. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp, QuantumScape. This is backed by Bill Gates. Tesla's announcement could crash the stock back to $10. It could. If Tesla came out with a battery style that can charge in 15 minutes and it can last 1,000,000 miles, this stock is going to crash real hard. Like real hard, because they would have no advantage, and they're like 4 years behind Tesla. So if Tesla announced something big, this stock is going to crater and crash and go back to $10. Good thing I don't have a position in Kensington. I sold out at a small 5% profit. This is one I'm not bullish on for battery day. This one could tank real bad depending on what Elon Musk announced at battery day. But anyways, that is it for my video. I only got to last another 10 seconds. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates, and I hope everyone has a great weekend. Bye.